All right, JR. The city of Saginaw and its insurance company have settled lawsuits filed by the estates of two people killed in a car crash.
The crash happened nearly 8 years ago in Carlton Township. And Terry, the claim by the family was that police negligence caused the drunk driving deaths.
Yes, in the end, 4 Saginaw police officers were named in the lawsuits. Only 2 remain with the department at this time. The Saginaw officers had interaction with his family shortly before the car crash. The city settled the lawsuits for $2 million.
The crash happened on June 24th, 2016. A Malibu crashed into a tree. 30-year-old Lindsay Drake died, along with her 4-month-old daughter, Emiliana. Driving the car was Rodolfo Sanchez, who was convicted of driving drunk, causing the deaths of his girlfriend and daughter, and was sentenced to 12 to 25 years in prison. About 7 minutes before the crash, body camera video shows how Saginaw police officers came upon their car parked along Michigan Avenue. Sanchez had no shirt on, and they told the officers they had been at a party. A fight had broke out, so they left. The officers spoke with them for about 8 minutes.
You guys are all cool together, right?
Yeah, everything's all good.
That's fine then. All right, go ahead.
You know what? Hey, I want to speak.
Go ahead and go home.
They ordered these individuals to go on their way without even checking to see whether or not anybody in that vehicle was capable of operating it.
And then the accident happened 7 minutes later in Carlton Township. Investigators say Sanchez's blood alcohol level was at .20, above the super drunk level of .17. The estates of Drake and her child filed federal lawsuits in 2020 against the city and the 5 officers. One of those officers was eventually dropped from the lawsuits. ABC 12 News has learned the lawsuits were settled late last year, with $1 million going to the Drake estate and $1 million going to the Sanchez estate, a total of $2 million. The Saginaw City Council approved the settlements.
Now, the attorney representing the Drake estate, Mike Nichols, says bringing this case to the courtroom brought to light what happened. Now the survivors of Lindsay and Emiliana can at least feel seen. The conduct of the officers and the response by the powers that be at the police department made the family feel invisible because they're poor. Saginaw City Manager Tim Morales and Police Chief Bob Ruth had no comment.